Good morning, all of you. My name is Ayan Hasan, and today I am going to cover the presentation on my research. My research was the impact of sleep on student academic performance. So, first, what was my research topic? My research topic was the relationship between sleep quality and academic performance in college students. And my research objective was to understand how sleep quality impacts academic performance, like on GPA, exam scores, assignments, and many more, among the students in Cambridge College. Next, what was my research question? My research question was: does sleep quality have a significant impact on student academic performance? And if I talk about my secondary research was asleep. Like this study shows a strong collaboration between sleep duration and academic performance in undergraduate students, with more sleep linked to higher GPAs. And it is and this I took this from the website Sleep and Academic Performance: Constant and Quality Sleep is the Key by Patrick McNamara, who is PhD holder. And second was, this research suggested that sleep quality is more important than quantity for memory consolidation, which directly affect the exam performance and assignment. And next, my research ethics and approval. This is my certification of completion. This document certifies that me means Ayan Hasan successfully completed the course on research ethics based on the Tree Council policy statement, ethical conduct for research involving human. And on the other side, there is a student application form, which is course-based research form, which is given by my professor to fulfill the general information about myself. Fifth, what was my primary research? Like my primary research was, I made a questionnaire or questions on Microsoft Form, on which I put it the question like, on average, how many hours do you sleep each night? How would you rate the sleep quality? Do you believe lack of sleep negatively affect your academic performance? How stressed do you feel about academic work? I added these questions because I think these questions are related to students' academic performance or academic life, which can be discussed in the questionnaire and help the people to understand about sleep quality. Sleep quality is linked to academic performance. Why I choose this question? I selected sleep quality because prior research suggests a direct link between sleep and the cognitive functions, mean sleep and the other functions, like what we study in the class or what we are going to perform in our exam, many more. Third, what was my data collection method? Like my data collection was more than 18 out of 20 students agreed that sleep cycle affect the academic performance. Six, what was my sample to convince the student to take part in my questionnaire? Like I made a student forms student forms and shows them who are full-time Cambridge college student on Benedine campus to participate. Among 20 of students participated in my questionnaire, and this was my invitation, or we can say convenience sample, or to invite a student. Seventh, what was the result? The result was most of the male students are strongly agreed that the sleep directly affected the academic performance in their grade, in their assignment, or in their exams. And most of the students considered assignment and personal reason of their academic stress. Means assignment are the most stress stressable thing for students. For the student, like we can see, among 80% students selected other, and 60% students selected as the assignment of their academic stress. Eighth, conclusion. What is the conclusion? Like a majority of students believe that lack of sleep negatively affects their academic performance. And second, academic stress is primarily means most of the academic stress is because of due to assignments, and most students reported that good sleep quality and are between 18 to 30 years old who has excellent, or we can say good sleep quality, which help them to score or perform good in their academic year. Ninth, what was my recommendation? I- or what are my recommendations? So my recommendations are: we can encourage students to improve their sleep hygiene to enhance academic performance. Second, colleges or institutes can provide stress management workshop to help students in handling academic pressure better, them in in which will help them in scoring good GPA in their academic year. Next, limitation and future research. What are my limitation, or what was my limitation and future researches, or what can be future researches? Only 20 students responded to the questionnaire, to my questionnaire, which I made to get the answer about does sleep affect the academic performance or not. And if I talk about limitation, that was a small sample size and self-reported data. And what can be future research? The future research can be investigate the effect of sleep on long-term academic success, include a larger, more diverse sample. So that's all. Thank you all. My name is Ayan Hasan and wish you a good day.